Deck railings do more than provide safety, they define the look and feel of your entire outdoor space. The right design can frame your view, complement your home's style, and turn a simple deck into a standout feature. Whether you want something classic, modern, rustic, or bold, your railing choice sets the tone. In this video, we'll explore inspiring deck railing ideas to help you create a space that's both functional and beautiful. When designing a deck, one of the most important things to consider is the view. Whether you're overlooking a garden, a forest, a mountain range, or even just a quiet backyard, the way your railing interacts with that view can make a huge difference in how your space feels. A poorly chosen railing can block or interrupt the sight lines, while a well-considered design can actually enhance the experience of being outdoors. For decks with scenic surroundings, it's often best to choose railing styles that are open, low profile, or transparent in feel. Loved these deck railing inspirations? Tap like and share with friends planning a backyard upgrade. Deck railings aren't just functional, they're full of personality. The style of your railing sets the tone for your entire outdoor space, and it can reflect everything from your home's architecture to your own creative taste. Think of the railing as part of your home's design language. Is it casual and relaxed? Formal and traditional? Clean and modern? For a traditional home, classic baluster designs, maybe with decorative posts or a matching top rail, can add timeless charm. Add in some trim details or painted finishes, and your deck starts to feel like a proper outdoor room. If you lean more toward a modern aesthetic, sleek lines and geometric forms can create a striking effect. Horizontal slats or cable designs tend to feel minimal and sophisticated. In this kind of space, less is more, but the small details, like the spacing, the handrail shape, or even the color, matter a lot. Which railing style caught your eye? Cable, wood, glass, or metal? Drop your favorite in the comments below. One of the most exciting trends in deck railing design today is the idea of mixing elements to create contrast, texture, and visual variety. Gone are the days when a railing had to match one material from top to bottom. Now, designers and homeowners alike are experimenting with combinations that turn the railing into a true feature. You might see wood paired with metal, where warm, natural tones contrast with sleek, industrial lines. Or a deck with a wood frame and glass panels, balancing transparency with structure. Mixing materials also allows for more customization. You can choose the warmth of wood, the durability of metal, and the openness of glass all in one coordinated system. Even within a single material type, variation can be impactful. Want more outdoor living and design ideas? Subscribe and never miss a stylish update. At its core, a deck railing must be safe. It's there to keep people from falling, define the edges of the space, and provide peace of mind. But that doesn't mean it has to feel rigid or unwelcoming. When thoughtfully designed, railings can actually add to the comfort of the deck, making it feel like a more inviting place to gather, relax, and enjoy. One way to increase comfort is by considering height and proportion. Some spaces feel best with standard railing heights, while others may benefit from a slightly higher or lower profile, depending on the view, the layout, and who's using the space. For instance, lower railings on a ground-level deck can create a cozier, more open feel, especially in smaller yards, while taller railings might offer better wind protection or privacy. Another aspect of comfort is how the railing feels to the touch. Rounded handrails, smooth finishes, and sturdy construction all contribute to a sense of quality and care. In colder climates, materials that stay warmer to the touch, like wood or vinyl, may be more pleasant during cooler months. Let it support more than just safety. Let it support your style, your comfort, and your sense of home beneath the open sky. Let it reflect the seasons. Bare and minimal in winter. Lush with vines in summer. Softly glowing in the golden light of fall. Let it be strong, but not rigid. Simple, but never boring. Practical, yet full of soul. Design is never just about shapes and lines. It's about how something makes you feel when you live with it. Your deck railing is part of that feeling, quietly shaping moments without demanding attention. It becomes part of the backdrop of your memories. Birthday gatherings, quiet mornings, evening winds. It stands beside you for years. And with the right choices, it ages gracefully, weathering storms and welcoming sunshine in equal measure. So give your railing the thought it deserves. Not as an afterthought, but as a meaningful part of your outdoor sanctuary. Whether you lean modern or traditional, bold or understated, natural or structured, there is no wrong way to build beauty into a space you love. Because in the end, a deck railing isn't just about what you build. It's about how you live. And a well-designed railing makes that living just a little more beautiful. Every single day. It welcomes the day before anything else does. It greets the morning light as it stretches over the horizon. It holds the shadows of trees as they sway with the wind. It carries the echo of laughter shared on a summer evening. It becomes the edge of a memory, where family photos were taken, where music once drifted through the twilight, where someone leaned in silence, thinking, resting, feeling at peace. A railing offers pause, a moment to take in the world beyond the deck, to notice the rustle of leaves, the scent of rain in the distance, or the delicate hush of falling snow. It creates structure without closing you in. It creates a frame without limiting your view. It offers support, quietly, without ever needing to say a word. Designing a railing is an act of intention. It's deciding how open your space should feel. How solid. How light. How bold. It's about defining a space not just with rules, but with rhythm. Lines that repeat across a span. Horizontal, vertical, curved. They become music. A subtle pattern your eyes learn to follow. You can play with texture, introducing wood grain, matte finishes, or iron details. You can shift tone, from warm and rustic to cool and refined. Even a shadow cast by the railing can become part of your design. At certain times of day, those shadows create their own patterns on the deck floor. A quiet dance between light and line.